Today, we're going to build a military fighter jet using 4 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
Grab a 1x3 plate, and on that front stud, we're going to put a 1x1 plate with single tooth and have that face forward, and that's going to be the nose of our fighter jet. And the nice thing, this thing's so small, that little stud there is going to act as the cockpit. And then in the center stud here, we're going to grab a 1x3 tile piece, and then in the very center of that tile piece, you see there's a little gap there. We're going to put that on the middle stud, so just line it up perfectly centered, and we've got the wings of our fighter jet, and to get all this stuff to kind of align nice and straight, we're going to get a 1x1 tile with clip on top and put those clips are on the left and right of our plane, and there we have a completed military fighter jet.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and you can click on the image to watch another video. Until next time, let's keep building together.